Launching a YouTube channel in 2024 is exciting. Here's a roadmap to get you started. Channel step account. You'll need a Google account to create a YouTube channel. If you don't have one, sign up for free. Create your channel. Once logged into your Google account, head over to YouTube. You'll see an option to create a channel. Choose a catchy channel name that reflects your content and a unique handle for easy searching. CHANNEL identity branding. Design a profile picture and banner that visually represent your channel. Keep it consistent with your content theme. About section. Fill out the About section with a channel description, links to your social media presence, if any, and anything else you want viewers to know. Content is king. Pick your niche. Decide what kind of videos you create. Do you have a passion for gaming, cooking, or DIY projects? Find a nature. Knowledgeable and enthusiastic about content planning. Plan your videos in advance. Brainstorm ideas, write scripts if needed, and figure out the filming and editing process. There are many free online resources for video editing tips. Upload and optimize. Upload videos. Once you've created your masterpiece, upload it to YouTube. SEO. For YouTube search engine optimization. SEO is important on YouTube too. Use relevant keywords in your titles, descriptions, and tags to help people find your videos. Spread theory. Promote our channel. Share your videos on social media, forums, and relevant online communities. Get your channel out there and connect with viewers.